Friday, December 23rd, and this is a mango that I planted from seed from the PPK of my tree over there that I got 3 years ago. So I think this is a third winter. It's going through a third winter, probably around October. So 2.5 to 3 years. So we're looking actually. Let me see. So a lot of people, think that, when they get leaves like this, they think it's burned from the cold. But if you look at carefully here, you see it's actually some kind of I think this is a mango bud mites. See, really small, and it's causing these issues here. These blackish issues on the leaf. Usually it's on the underside. You see, I think it's very small, very microscopic. These mites, you just have to clean it. I don't think you can see it. You see, it's hard to see, but you see right there. As you can zoom in. You see, it's basically just an infection of these mites, and they love the underside of the leaves. So again, I should have done this sooner before it actually spread to the rest of the tree. So there's no point in saving this leaf because it's pretty much infected the whole entire leaves, and it's probably damaged the leaves as well. So it's not going to participate in any kind of photosynthesis at all for the tree. So I'm gonna cut this other one as well. See, it's the mites. So it's not the cold. So when you see leaves like this, pay attention. Oh, there's more right here. You see that right here? Those are little mites there. So pay attention to them and get rid of it immediately, because they will spread too, and they will basically damage the leaves of the mango. So I should have done this sooner. Oh, all of them are already infected with the mites. So yeah, I should have done this sooner, but I just didn't have time. So this is so basically it's just soap that I'm using, and it's best to use a loofah sponge. I don't like using those synthetic sponge. It doesn't really scrub off, the leaves at all. It just scrub off the bugs on the leaves. So, and also, it basically has these scratchy surface, rough surface that actually will probably kill the mites as well while you're scrubbing it. See, this is really bad. So again, people might think that it's cold damage, but it's not at all. So make sure you check, prevent it from spreading by taking care of it before it before it spreads, because it does spread really fast too. So I noticed this maybe 2 months ago, but I just didn't have time to fix, to go and wash it and all that stuff. So it's just so much things to do. I'll scrub it and I'll just wash it with water once I'm done. I'm done cleaning, so I'll just have to keep my eye on it and pay attention to see if it's gonna come back. And this tree is about maybe 3 foot tall, 3 years. So it's the fastest seedling I ever have.